Hello everyone, this is Satpreet Kaur. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, as we had discussed that we are going to talk about that how you can restart your English journey in 2025, whether you are a beginner, you are learning in the learning process, or you are already knowing English but you want to make it more progress. So we are going to talk about that in this video. So in this video, we are going to talk about the schedule and the plans that will be working for you in 2025. So guys, see, before moving further for the particular thing, I just want to tell you all, if you are seriously serious for learning the English, so please hear each and every point, like very give your complete attention by all the points, and you should understand, at least if you can't do something at your best, give it a try to all of them. And I know it is the best thing that will be actually helping to you. If you're working according to this schedule, you can do that. If you have your own, if you are having something better, then it would be great. Or if you're having your plans that is much better and you think that also can help others, so you can share in the comment section, then everybody can be helpful to you all. Okay, so I will try to make it as much as easier for you I can for English speaking. And also, this schedule is not just like I'm giving you a schedule today and I will be going. No, I will be following this whole plan with you together. Weekly wise, we will be doing all the goals one by one, and we'll be doing everything from where to get the content, from where to get the data, from where to read, from which video, what audio you can make, everything. Everything will be given in this 2025 playlist. Okay, everything will be there. So let us start about the today's schedule that the today video is about. Okay, sorry. So the first thing what you have to make, you need to set a clear goal. Okay, you need to set a clear goal. I mean, like, why you want to learn English, you should know that. Because if I say that I want to learn English because I want a good career, you maybe want to learn English because you are having a circle around you like that, or you want to learn English because you want to go abroad or foreign. So we all are having different priorities that why actually we want to learn English. So that is what, if you are having a goal that, yeah, for this particular thing I want to learn English, so it would be great for your mind that you will be having a relaxed mind. Okay, yeah, this much I want to do, and you will do that. Okay, and if you're not having any goal, or you're just learning for your personality, or your or for your life, or you like that, then also it is great. And guys, you know what I say, just make it a new year resolution. Why don't you make it just 1 month in for the new year? You can make a new year resolution of 2025 of learning English, and just do it, anything, end it by 2025. Okay, give your best, and obviously you will be coming out of with the flying colors. So what is about this? Yeah, first week you need to set your clear goal. You should understand why you want to learn English. Is it about career? Is it about anything? Whatever you are having in your mind, just do that. Relax, think about that. Okay, then you will get it. Because if you have a goal, obviously then you are going to know the pattern, then you are going to work according to that. So that is why. Okay, now it comes the second thing, the second most important goal, that is create a daily routine. Creating a daily routine is very important. I told you last video also that, guys, if the problem is English speaking, so you need to speak. Nobody is going to speak and you are going to benefit of that, not possible. If you are speaking, you will be getting learn each day. If they are speaking, they will be getting learn each day. So you need to speak. Okay, the more you will speak, the more you will get it. Okay, so it is about, just as in starting, if you're a starter, if you're a beginner, so give 15 minutes at least in the starting for learning the English speaking. Okay, you can do anything. Okay, you can speak, or if you want to listen any audio, anything, you need to put English in your daily routine. It is just like that, you need to involve in that language. Okay, like, if you involve in something, then you get that thing easily. You can watch a movie if you want. If you are interested in watching movies, then you can watch a movie. Or if you are interested in listening something, you can listen to motivational, you can read an article, anything you can do. But the thing is, you need to involve in the English in the second week for the particular thing. Okay, so in the first week you need to set a clear goal that why you want to learn English. Then secondly, you will try to make English in your daily routine by doing daily it just for 15 minutes. Okay, only 15 minutes, and that is minimum. But I think in daily scene you should know how to do it, like 15 minutes, increase to 30 minutes, but don't decrease it. Minimum 15 minutes is very important to give, and you should give that. Okay, Now, the third point that comes that is very important, you should focus on grammar and writing. This is the third week, okay? When you are already in your daily routine, then you are coming with the grammar and speaking thing, okay? So, now the question arises. Some of the people just think, and I had also seen some of the questions are there, that is grammar is seriously that much necessary for English speaking? So I just say, see, grammar is important for English speaking, but it is not completely. Like I will also make a video on that, that how much grammar can actually help you to get English speaking. If you know a basic of the grammar also, then you can speak English. Because see, you know what? If right now, like I am speaking, if you are going to think that this word I am going to say, this sentence I am going to say, is it correct in the grammar? So in this way you will maybe not fluent, or you are not sure about that, right? But you know what is the main thing is important in English, that you have to be confident first. Okay, so with the basic grammar also you can go with the English speaking, and you can get a good command over the English speaking. So it's okay if you know only a basic grammar or only basic writings, that we will focus on the third week. Also, I promise to make a video on that, because that how much grammar is actually needed if you want to learn English speaking. That is the main thing, and that is important one, okay? And when it comes to writing, so you can write anything like an article, a paragraph, or a story, or about your life, or about your daily routine only. Make it a diary and writing that daily. You can just do that also, whatever you want, in whatever way. But the thing is, you need to involve in the English. That is going to be the third week. Now it comes the fourth part, what we are going to do in the fourth week. That will be listening and speaking. Now listening comes to what? Hearing, right? So you know what is the best thing in us, like when we listen to English, we completely understand that. Okay, if I say you listen to any other language like Russian, Persian, French, anything, we don't understand it, right? So you are up to level one up, that you understand English, you listen to it, you understand that. But the problem comes like when you need to speak something, right? So listening and speaking we are going to do in the fourth week. I will give you a paragraph, you are going to listen that, there will be an audio, you will listen that, and then I'll give you the time to speak also. And that is going to be very helpful for you. What you can do is, you can record that audio, and then you can speak with that, and then you can hear. Even I say, instead of listening anyone else or speaking, just listen for once. Okay, like if you are listening, for example, if you're listening to me right now, so just say the same thing in the audio, okay, and then you hear that how you are speaking. Or you can take any other example, okay. So in this way you will be improving, you will be getting your mistakes, that yeah, this mistake I am doing, I need to put imperfection in that, in this, that. So it will be very helpful for you like that, okay. So you can do in this way also, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, now as we had done all the things, we set the clear goal. In the second week, what we did created a routine. In the third week, we are doing for English grammar and the writing, and in the fourth, we are doing for listening and speaking. Now at last, the very important thing comes. That is the climax thing in this video. You know what? The fifth thing is, you need to build consistency. If you are not consistent in these things, this will not work, and actually it will not. This is the truth. If you are not consistent in anything, it will never respond to you. You have to be very much consistent, it is important. Like see, for example, yesterday also I told, like in the last video it was like that, if you are going to gym and if you're not consistent, you are just going for a week to the gym and you are expecting you get a transformation, is it possible? Obviously not. So in the same way, if you want to transform your English language, if you want to transform into English language, you need to give time, you need to be consistent. Starting with a 15 minutes daily is very easy. Guys, you need to understand that English is just a language, just like Hindi it is. You know why we know Hindi that much very good, it's great? Because we used to speak that daily. We are having people around us whom we are conversing, okay? But you know what is the thinking? Here you need to practice by yourself, okay? Because nobody is going to help you. You are yourself who can make yourself perfect, and you need to understand that. Try to speak as best as you can, okay? At least give 15 minutes, give 20 minutes, read anything, hear anything, do anything, but consistency is must, okay? So I hope you will are going to copy these plans and you like all these plans whatever I told you right now. And also I promise you, now I will be coming with the next video with the first aim of the week that we are having, okay? And then we will decide that why we want to learn English and why we need to set a goal for learning the English. And also, as much as I can help you, I will be helping you. And thank you so much for always supporting. Keep supporting, keep growing together, and thank you so much. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.